Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll show you how to fix the issue where your YouTube app opens to a black or blank screen. Alright, this can happen on almost anything. I've seen it happen on TVs, and of course it can happen on your phone as well. The fix will be the same. Alright, so do note, I'll be demonstrating on an Android based TV. That is the LG TV. It's basically Android, or a skin version of Android that's running on these devices. All right, because the configuration will be the same. All right, so the first thing, let me show you what it's like. So first of all, you may go to YouTube. All right, so I'm going to launch YouTube here. All right, so as you try to launch the YouTube app, you'll notice it goes blank. And of course it will be on this blank screen as seen here. All right, so you can see that the TV is actually on as the screen is lit, but it is blank. All right, so this is how you fix this issue. All right, so first of all, you may want to check your internet connection. If for some reason you do not have any internet, or if it's a case where the internet is intermittent, meaning it's coming and going, it might be a case where you do not have internet connection. So sometimes when you launch YouTube, it does happen like this. All right, so do check your internet connection, verify that you have an internet connection. Sometimes your router that needs to be restarted. So go ahead and restart your router, and of course go ahead and relaunch. Now the second thing to try guys, in case you're getting this blank, is to reboot the device. So what do I mean by reboot is you're going to take your remote, you're going to power off the TV as you're seeing here, this LG, and then to make sure that it is fully power cycle, go ahead and turn it off or unplug it at the wall. So you're going to power off this TV at the wall. All right, so I've turned off my TV at the wall. You'll know it's off because I'm pressing power and it's not coming on. You're going to give it a minute or so, then you're going to power on the TV or plug it back in. So once you plug it back into the wall outlet to power it again, what you have done essentially is to give the device a total reboot, where you're allowing the device to fully cycle. All right, so as soon as you power cycle, go ahead and power on the TV. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to power on this TV. In this case, I'm just going to use the power button that's on the TV. All right. So once again, once the TV is back up, go ahead and launch YouTube again. What you have done is to power cycle the TV, and you are basically giving the TV a refresh. So what's happened, all the apps have been refreshed. Go ahead and try to launch again. Once you have internet and everything's okay, the YouTube app should launch perfectly fine. The next thing you're going to do guys is to clear the cache of the YouTube app. To do that, what you need to do is to go ahead and go to your app store, find the YouTube app, and select clear cache. So you can look for YouTube in your app store, whatever your TV is or whatever your device is. You're going to go to apps. If you're on Android, you're going to go look for the app in question, which is YouTube, and you're going to clear the cache. Once you clear the cache, what's going to happen is that the device is going to give a refreshing, and it should work. In extreme cases, you may need to uninstall the application and then go to your app store and reinstall the app. If you do all of these things, it should start working again. I do hope this was useful, and as always, Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips, saying bye until next time. Bye.